thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Whoa. When I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement, spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress like in a phase. I get dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well?
It's what you need, I got it now. Said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a distance.
The way you're living, small, so big, I wanna take a picture. Nothing can replace the feeling when I'm with ya. It don't matter what's outside these walls, feels like heaven is a place so small. It's just me and you in this tiny room. I don't